Welcome to Mind Course Media, where we take you on a journey through time to explore the fascinating history of different countries and cultures. Today, we're going to explore one of the most intriguing countries in the world, Russia. From the grandeur of the Tsars to the tumultuous years of the Soviet Union, Russia's history is full of drama, intrigue, and larger-than-life figures. So, grab your favorite drink and get ready to discover the fascinating history of Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world and has a rich and complex history that spans over 1,000 years. From the reign of the Tsars to the Soviet era and beyond, Russia has played a significant role in shaping the world as we know it today. Russia's earliest recorded history dates back to the 9th century, with the arrival of the Vikings, who established trade routes and settlements in the region. In the 13th century, the Mongols invaded and conquered much of Russia, establishing the Golden Horde. However, in the 14th century, the Russians began to fight back and eventually expelled the Mongols, establishing the Grand Duchy of Moscow. The Grand Duchy of Moscow continued to grow in power and influence, eventually becoming the Tsardom of Russia. The first Tsar, Ivan IV, known as Ivan the Terrible, ruled from 1547 to 1584. During his reign, Russia expanded its territory and became a major European power. The Romanov dynasty took over in 1613 and continued to rule until the Russian Revolution in 1917. The Russian Revolution of 1917 marked a major turning point in Russian history. The Bolsheviks, led by Vladimir Lenin, overthrew the Romanov dynasty and established the Soviet Union. The Soviet Union was a socialist state that aimed to create a classless society, with the government controlling all aspects of the economy and society. Under Joseph Stalin's leadership, the Soviet Union became a superpower and played a significant role in World War II. In 1991, the Soviet Union collapsed, and Russia became an independent country once again. Boris Yeltsin was the first president of post-Soviet Russia, and during his tenure, Russia transitioned to a market economy. Vladimir Putin became president in 2000 and has been a dominant figure in Russian politics ever since. Putin has pursued a policy of restoring Russian influence and power on the world stage, which has led to tension with other countries, particularly the United States. Russia's history is a fascinating and complex one that spans over 1,000 years. From the reign of the Tsars to the Soviet era and beyond, Russia has played a significant role in shaping the world as we know it today. As Russia continues to evolve and change, it will be interesting to see how its history continues to impact the country and the world as a whole. That's it for our video on the history of Russia. We hope you enjoyed this journey through time and learned something new about this fascinating country. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Mind Course Media for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.